Welcome back. We've already inserted the streaming stick and the USB cable into the back of the TV. As you notice, this time it's currently on television input. So by selecting input on your TV remote, going down to the HDMI port in which you have your Roku stick in, select it. And now using your Roku remote, we will go to settings to connect the internet. By pressing down, going to settings, then to network. Then we'll go over to set up connection, wireless, and select OK. Select which Wi-Fi connection you'll be using, and enter your password. And I'm selecting the letters just by toggling left, right, up, and down. Once you have your password entered, select Connect. Once connection has been made, it'll automatically bring you back to this screen. By pressing the Home button on your Roku remote, it'll take you back to the home screen. Toggle to the left to Voodoo. Select it by pressing OK. This will be the next screen to appear on your TV. It's currently under Spotlight. If you'll use your buttons and just toggle over to My Voodoo, and then to Movies by going down and over. Then just press down and start looking at the arrangement of movies that we have offered on this stick. Once you select which one you want to watch, press OK. It's already highlighted on Watch, select OK, and you can begin watching your movie. That's how you operate one of our Rokus. We do have 5 available for checkout. Thank you.